I just look at it as a personal responsibility to my family. My name is Bill Sugg. I'm a local businessman here in West Point, Mississippi. I have been associated with North Mississippi Medical Center, the local board here for the West Point North Mississippi Medical Center Hospital System for about 3 years, going on 4 now. It's been great to serve, been an eye-opening experience for me to see all the dedicated people that work in healthcare and all they go through to be sure that everybody walks through the door has what they need and can be as healthy as they can be. And you know, what we're going through now with this pandemic only exemplifies that dedication. I've seen it for a while, but you know, they've been very encouraging of everyone to take the vaccine, because we know that we can only do what we can do to try to protect ourselves and those we love. And to me, it's almost a duty or an obligation to do that, because here we've been for 12 months, I won't say feeling helpless, but we feel like we've been caught up in this wave of the pandemic, and we're following directions for social distancing and washing our hands. And if you walk through our office here, you'll see signs of that everywhere. You know, we have more hand sanitizer and stations than a show dog can jump over everywhere. And we've encouraged, obviously, all of our employees to be very, very health conscious and safe. But we've been affected by it. We've had people who have been quarantined because of contact tracing. We've had several cases in and around different areas. Everything's not in this one building, but we've had people that work for the company that live away from here in West Point. But all of that tells us that it is our responsibility and really our privilege to be able to try to do something to help, and taking that vaccine is part of that. That's the way I look at it, that it's our responsibility to try. And yeah, it may or may not be a little uncomfortable. I don't know yet. I'll tell you that tomorrow, because I take my second shot later today, coincidentally. But I'm actually looking forward to it. So you know, the fact that we have something that will help us to fight this pandemic, to me, has been, you know, the fact we got it done as quickly as we did versus what the early prognostications were has been amazing. So again, I just look at it as a personal responsibility to my family. And in our particular family, we have, you know, my wife's parents are, he's 90 and her father's 90, her mother's 86. And we obviously, like so many families, have been really careful. And the fact that we now have a vaccine, they are participating in the vaccine at their ages very carefully. Dr. Miller here in West Point has helped guide them through that process, just to be sure that they're as safe as they can be. But you look at the old and the young, it's everybody's responsibility to do what they can do. And we just cross our fingers and hope we work our way out of this together.